Let's write. Add full to the words given in brackets and complete the sentences. You must be dash to your friends. Help. Make a dash drawing color. The puppy is so dash play. Be dash while crossing the road. Care. Join the word two words to make one word. Look at the example. Peace plus full equal to peaceful. Play plus full. Colorful plus full. Careful. Care plus full. Hop. Hop plus full. Write 5 things you can do. Start with I can. I can. I cannot, but I can. Give yourself a big star for being what you are. For myself.